What is up, everybody? Welcome to my second YouTube video. What's up? So this happened today and I am loving it. I am so happy with how this look turned out. So some of you that follow me on Instagram know that I posted on there saying, what color do you want me to do for a festival look? I said blue, green, pink, purple, or rainbow. I was really hoping you guys wouldn't pick rainbow, but she's did. Generally because I had no idea what to do, and I have come up with this. I figured my eyes were just gonna be the main center of attention, I think. I don't know, there's a lot going on here, but just the main color in my eyes. I absolutely love this look so much. It's super cute. I might even do this look for when I go to touch base, so whew. The video is a little bit choppy and changey because I was having camera problems. It died, it overheated, stuff like that. Unfortunate, but I made sure you did not miss much at all. So I hope you guys enjoy how I created this rainbow Mandela sunflower festival look because it's awesome. So yeah, enjoy the video. Remember to like, subscribe, do whatever else those other YouTubers tell you to do. And yeah, enjoy.
Alrighty guys, so today we're going to use the NYX Ultimate palette for this look. It is full of all different colours and it was super cheap to pick up. So we're going to start off with the yellow from this palette, and what we're going to do is just pop that right in the corners of our eyes. It's just going to go on the top and the bottom. So moving on from this yellow, the next colour we're going to use is an orange, and that's just going to go right beside the yellow. Now you guys do not have to be super neat with this at all, no blending required. The colours are just going to go side by side. So the next colour we're moving on to is a really bright pink, and of course that one is just going to go right next to the orange to create our rainbow effect. Alrighty, so the next colour we are moving on to is the purple colour in the palette. So now we're just going to use the light purple, not the super dark one. And of course that one's going to go right next to the pink. So moving on to the next colour of our rainbow is going to be this really pretty blue, and of course that's just going to go right beside the purple. So moving on to our very last colour of the rainbow, this is going to be a green, and of course it's just going to go right next to the blue. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now is just blend out the very tippy top of our rainbow. And I'm just going to use a clean blending brush. Now the brushes that I am using are e.l.f. as well. Alright guys, so we are going to move on to our glitters now. So the ones that I used are the BYS Stardust Glitter Vials. These were super cheap to pick up and I just loved how they had such a range of different colours. Alrighty, so the very first colour we're going to use obviously is the yellow. So what I did with these was I mixed them with a primer and it just really helped those glitters stick to my eyes. So what we're going to do is pop the glitters to the colours of my eyeshadow, so obviously yellow going on yellow. of course, the next color we're going to move on to is orange. And again, mixing it with a primer and adding it to the orange eyeshadow. Alrighty, so then we are just going to move on to the pink glitter, and of course putting that on the pink eyeshadow again. And I also just wanted to say, guys, make sure you are using a clean brush every time you do this, because we don't want the glitters to be crossing. We really want to make a kind of fine line between the colors so you can really see them all individually. Alrighty, so the next color I'm moving on to is the purple. Now, I was a little bit worried when I put this purple on at first, because as you can see, it is super dark and it did look a little bit out of place at first. But as you know from the final look, it definitely ended up working out, especially after I put the blue and the green in. It just blended right through. So moving on to our second last color, and that is the blue. So as you can see, it did tone down the purple just a little bit. I did try and make the blue blend into it a little bit more, just so I could really tone it down. Alrighty, we are finally moving on to our very last color, and that is the green. And of course, going right next to the blue onto the green eyeshadow. So after the glitters, I went ahead and added on a bold wing eyeliner and then just some mascara and added some eyelashes on top of that. So moving on to the artwork of our face now, I went ahead and added a couple of little dots to the bridge of my nose. And I'm just using an NYX white liquid eyeliner, and I'm also creating my Mandela piece as well. Now this piece did take me quite a while to do, so I have fast forward through it and skipped a couple little scenes. I did also go through and clean it up with a makeup wipe and just some brushes and concealer as well to just make it a little bit neater. So after this, I then went ahead and added the daisies to my head as well. Now, you can use real ones if you want, but I do suggest using fake daisies because if you're at a festival, they will wilt and die. And I just moved on to my lips. I would prefer a pink color, but this one worked as well. And then just popping a white line down the middle of my lip as well. And that was the final look, guys.
This is the final look. I'm done with my makeup today. It's been fun. So I hope you guys like this, and subscribe, like, share this video if you love it just as much as I do, because I honestly I really love this look personally. So if you like it as much as I do, please give it a share. Tell people about my YouTube, tell people about my Instagram. Remember, it is Make You Blush, and go check it out. And thanks so much for watching the video.